garage fans. What you're looking at is a brand new GoPro Hero 7, the white. I picked it up so we could do better riding videos and whatnot. I just wanted to go over what I use to do my videos and edit them and render them and whatnot. I've had a couple of people ask, and quite a few friends of mine ask, what I use for my YouTube videos. And it's actually pretty simple, believe it or not. We'll go over my rigs, my computers, and first we'll go through the cameras. Anyway, I just got the GoPro Hero because on my wife's side-by-side, her Kappa soundbar, it has a GoPro mount on it. So I'll be mounting that GoPro up there for when we go riding and whatnot. So there will be future videos with the GoPro, but whenever I go over my main rig, I will use the GoPro. So you'll get to see the difference in the video quality from what I'm using right here to what I'm going to be using over there. And you can do the sound quality check too. Now that setup, obviously the GoPro, and it is a $29 tripod. Now I'll have links in the description where you can get this setup. Seems to do pretty well. You can use the app on your smartphone and whatnot. This tripod, you can raise and lower it. It goes up to 58 inches. You just twist this thing here. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. And it goes up. It goes way tall. But yeah, the tripod itself goes higher than that too. I just got it only on the second leg. And then you can maneuver it however you want. I got that pretty tight. You can maneuver it. There's levels on it. As of right now, it's level. There's another level right there. Focus. Very nice setup for the money. I got under $300 in this setup. That was a 128 gigabyte SD card. That gives me like 6.5 hours of recording time and whatnot. It seems to be a really nice camera. I got the $199 one, the $200 GoPro. It came with an update, so it's a lot better than what it was when it first came out because too many people were complaining about it. So I'm glad I waited. But even then, if you have the Hero 7, you should get that update as well. So, all right, we'll move on to the second setup now. Alrighty, I'll see you in just a second. Okay guys, here we go. We got the GoPro set up now. As you notice, we are inside my house. I wanted to do this in the house. The dogs and the family stuff is outside and whatnot. I am behind it. Let's raise this puppy up as far as it'll go. Okay, and we can drop these legs. All right, that's as high as it'll go. I'm 6'2". This goes to 5 foot 8 inches, so it's just about as tall as I am. Anyway, we're on the GoPro right now, so you can see that. But we're gonna move on to what I normally use for 99% of my videos. That's that. The lighting in here might not be that great. Let's go. Okay, you guys can see that. You know what that is? That's an iPhone. Mostly all of my videos are made with that iPhone and that tripod setup. I don't remember where I got that tripod at. I couldn't tell you. I don't remember. Anyway, this tripod goes a lot taller than it is now, but yep. Bet you couldn't even tell that they were made for my iPhone. Could ya? With that being said, we will start with this gaming rig. I do not game. I just don't. Give me a second. I lie. I do game, but in the wintertime when I can't be out in the summertime. I'm using a Dell. Oh crap, what is that thing? I don't remember the model, but it's a Dell gaming computer. It has 16 gig of DDR4 RAM. It has a Ryzen 5 1400 processor. It is an older machine, and it's got an RX 570 in it. And it edits videos very well. I have the Asus gaming monitor. It's 22 inches. It's 1 millisecond refresh rate at 144 hertz. And the screen can do up to 1440p resolution, I believe it is. But believe it or not, I watch 4K videos on it and stuff all the time, and it has a really nice screen resolution. I don't even think you can get that Asus monitor anymore. I've had it for 3 years. I think they got upgraded ones. I use the Corsair keyboard and mouse combo. Sorry for the lighting in here. I don't know if it's the lighting or if it's just dim on the screen, because I do have the screen turned dim on this. But that's the first rig. Here's the second rig. I'm using an MSI laptop. It's got a GTX 1060 in it. It has the i7-6700HQ, 16 gig of RAM. Both of these machines have solid state drives along with larger mechanical storage drives. But while you're there, let's go and lower this and get right in town right here. Okay, let's go in here. What I use to do my videos is OpenShot Video Editor. It is free. And I use DaVinci Resolve, the free version. I really like this OpenShot. I'm really sorry. I hope this video comes out a lot better. But anyway, it's not really a detailed video. I'm just going over what I use to do this because I have had some questions. Now, anyway, the OpenShot Video Editor is free. This thing, you can do quite a bit of stuff in it. It is my go-to one. But the DaVinci Resolve, this thing is badass, even for the free one. Sorry, I got the laptop on slow mode. It's really speedy whenever it's plugged in, and I got it set on performance. But I use both these computers to do editing on. And good thing about it is, the good thing about OpenShot Video Editor, you can be rendering one, OpenShot again. I've done like 4 videos at the same time. Ain't that something? And of course it takes even longer because you're rendering more than one video, but you can at least edit and stuff in there. And see that you just go to new project or whatnot. Go to create. I haven't played around with Resolve too awful much, but there it is. Seems like it's simply easy to use. I want to get into using it a lot more, but we'll see, because I'm pretty stuck on my OpenShot there. We're gonna don't save. But yeah, that is what I use. The laptop cost me $12.99 when I bought it 4 years ago. It's been a wonderful laptop. I love MSI. With that said, I'm not too much of a Dell fan, but I haven't had a single issue with this computer, and it's very speedy for the specs that are on it. It's got, you know, older stuff in it, but for what I paid for it at the time that I got it, I couldn't even build that computer with those same specs for what I paid for it. So I bought it, Dell or no Dell, because I was actually looking to build one, and I'm like, hey, that'll render some videos pretty good, and believe it or not, it games pretty good too. I play Far Cry and stuff like that. I play Black Ops and Call of Duty, couple Call of Duty games on here, but I only play in the wintertime when there's nothing to do. So yeah, I haven't fired them up yet this summer. So this computer does a lot of video editing and web browsing. So yeah, but I do have a laptop cooler for my laptop that helps keep it cool when it's editing, because it does get pretty warm. But yeah, don't mind my house. It is a house. We do live in it. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you guys that, because I've had some requests. Plus, I was kind of curious on seeing what the video would turn out. I'm going to put these two together between the iPhone X Max and the GoPro Hero 7. I'm going to throw those both in the same editor. I'm going to put them in the same video, and we're going to upload it to YouTube and see how it turns out on both of these devices. I've had a couple questions how these GoPros mount onto the Kappa. Well, every GoPro comes with a couple of mounts, and the mounts that they come with will work with the Kappa. The Kappa just has the little slidey thing, and then you just clip the GoPro to it. So I'll have a video on showing you guys how to install that here soon, because I have had a couple of questions of people that bought the Kappa from my channel and want to mount their GoPros. They're not sure, but it's easy. You just clip it on there. Everything should be there on that Kappa. It was on ours, so. But yeah. Alright, guys. I'm going to sign off and sign out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll have links to everything that I have here. I might be able to find links to an MSI laptop. I wouldn't prefer this one because it is older. It's 4 years old. It does perform very well, but my main point is you can get the newer ones for about the same price. This is what I paid. You know what I'm saying? Or you could probably get this one for probably $800 or so, you know, used, but you're not going to get it for that new, or refurb, I should say. And I'm not even going to bother putting the Dell in there because it is older specs. Well, I could always put the newer version in there and whatnot. I'll hook you guys up with some links with some stuff, because like I said, I don't like Dell, but they've really been stepping their game up here lately, I've noticed, and they're not building this junk anymore on these. What is this thing? I don't remember, but it'd be in the description. This is their one of their gaming lines, and it is built very well. If I wanted to change out a component in there, I can very easily, even the motherboard, because the motherboard isn't their proprietary bullshit that they normally put in there that will only fit in a Dell case. No, that's a regular ATX board. And it has regular card slots, it has a regular power supply in it. Now the case is their proprietary designed bullshit, but everything in it will work with newer components. So that's why I got it. I can upgrade it as I need to. It's a good case, you know. So we shall see how that goes. But it's been a good machine to me. So I'll have links in the description as to everything you see in this video. Make sure you check it out. Alright guys. Oh yeah. And look forward to my install videos this week. As soon as I get my very last package with those switches, we're going to be doing the install video on the light bar and the 6-foot whip. So, yeah, be sure to check those out. Sorry guys, I'm tired. Alrighty, Redneck Garage out. Peace.